And so this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add secondary access on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all we need to do, just go and open the Excel application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. So if you have it downloaded, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Microsoft Store or any browser you're using. Of course, you'll not just go and download the Excel application. You'll have to download the whole Office pack, which is gonna download another application with it, of course, including Excel. And then once it's downloaded, you can delete them. Of course, Office pack are actually paid, so you'll have to pay for it as Excel, of course. If you want, if you are new and you just want to have a new Excel. So of course, if you have it or if you just download it, just go and open the application up, and that will actually be your home screen. Of course, if you have an account, just go and log into it. But if you don't have an account, just go and create your account, then log into it. And here you can click at new, so you can create a new blank workbook, or just choose some of their templates here, or you can just go and open some of your saved file, Excel file, or even Google Sheets if you want, and you'll be able to open them on Excel. For me, I'm just going to click as a new blank workbook, so we will have this file down here. So of course, how to add a secondary access, of course, we mean on a chart. So of course, we can just go here to insert, and let's say as an example, we're going to use this chart, and we're going to use this one. So of course, you would like to select the chart to open the chart tool. So simply go to the chart that you want to open the tools of it, and of course just click on it, and you will find here charts form, the charts format, design, sorry, and formats here, and you can change whatever you want if you want. So here you can just go and select like some data and add something here. So I don't care what's gonna be it, so we can actually just add some charts element. So of course, here click at add charts element, so you can add a secondary access, and as you can see here, you can add some data labels and some chart titles and even some legends. And here we would like to add like a label in the center, and of course we can name it wherever you want, or whatever we want and however we want, and it will be actually good to go. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.